Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to clear offline file data on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear offline file data on Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone. After opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on the settings option over here just above the webmaster. Tap on the settings and you land over here where you can see the offline file data option available for us just above the clear all cache data option. Tap on the offline file data option over here, and it says, guys, no files to be cleared, because I had cleared some out already. But in your case, if there were any offline file data on your Terabox, it would be cleared out by tapping on that button. And that being done, guys, this is how to clear offline file data on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.